your seats. We welcome Senior Superintendent Dennis Brooks of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Do you have something special to share with us, Dennis?
Indeed we do. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome members of the traffic enforcement team of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB. Put your hands together for them. They're here to conduct traffic enforcement activities. It's an overcast day in Kingston, Jamaica, as a team from PSTEB's Highway Patrol leaves its Ellison Road headquarters. Their mission is to play their small part in saving lives and reducing the carnage on our roads. Here they are, equipped with a range of technologies, including the speed radar, the license plate recognition cameras, and mobile smart check system capable of conducting vehicular and wanted person searches. They're armed with their e-ticketing machines. And now the officers take their position along Arthur Wint Drive and begin the day's enforcement activities. They know that every action that they undertake today has the potential of reducing road crashes and saving lives. Watch now. Here come 3 motorcyclists. It is clear that they display breaches of the Road Traffic Act. The officers respond immediately by making contact with the Police Emergency Communications Center. And here they come, the members of the Quick Response Team. The motorcyclists attempt to evade, but they will not get far. They're now boxed in. The quick response team now moves in and the individuals will be apprehended. And now, the traffic enforcement team steps in to detail the offenses on display. Exceeding the speed limit, failure to obey police signals, no registration plate, no helmet, causing motorcycle to be driven on one wheel. All logged in real time using our e-ticketing device. This is the JCF's technological answer to modern traffic enforcement. Take a look at the very long list of offenses. It does not lie. And now, a bit of road safety in action because a female friend approaches with 2 helmets for the motorcyclists. They will equip themselves properly because a helmet is often what stands between a rider and tragedy. They will make their exit, but not everyone gets to ride away. One motorcycle is seized on the spot for operating contrary to regulation. It's now loaded on the highway patrol vehicle, which will make its exit. The quick response team now makes their way to the motorcycles. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a motorcycle display. They now form files. Watch as they demonstrate their skills honed through rigorous training. Here, they demonstrate the standing technique executed while the motorcycle is still in motion. Well, watch now, ladies and gentlemen, as they are about to execute a tactical serpentine. It's a hallmark of advanced motorcyclist training. Look at precision. Watch their level of control. These are skills that they will often need while navigating tight urban spaces as part of their tasks to help keep Jamaicans safe. And now, ladies and gentlemen, there's the wave. A simple reminder, we are your police. Put your hands together for them. We work to serve you. We work to protect you and to reassure you each and every day. That is our commitment. And the message worth repeating, ladies and gentlemen, wear your helmet every ride. And as our motorcyclists continue their display, we invite you to put your hands together. Joining them now on the field is the Force for Good Race Car Unit. It's driven by Sergeant Andrew Hudson. We believe in using speed and precision responsibly. Whether you ride a motorcycle or drive a car, if you have an appetite for speed, it is important that you satisfy that appetite responsibly. Race on the track and not on the road. That is our message. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for one of the fastest cars in its class in the Caribbean, driven by Sergeant Hudson. Put your hands together for him. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to see more of the Force for Good in action, join us for the Drag Rivals Racing event at Burnham Field in Clarendon this Saturday and Sunday, August 8 and 9. You will see that very car make its entrance. Ladies and gentlemen, give the Jamaica Constabulary Force another resounding round of applause.
Talk about speed, talk about talent, talk about precision. The Jamaica Constabulary Force. Ladies and gentlemen, when our ancestors came to these shores, they brought more than tradition. They carried the heartbeat of Africa, a rhythm that still lives within us today.